Hi there, my name's Craig and welcome to my YouTube channel, My Home Hob, bringing you delicious recipes from around the world. This week is honey mustard chicken with spring vegetables, so let's dive right in. And remember, if you like what you've seen today, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me greatly. Thank you. We're going to be using 4 chicken breasts, approximately 150 grams each. And I'm serving this with spring vegetables, so here I've got green beans, spring onions, asparagus and baby potatoes. 60 milliliters of honey, a tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of wholegrain mustard, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 to 2 cups of chicken or vegetable stock. And here I've got 100 grams of garden peas. So first things first, it's onto our chicken breast. You want to fry this lightly in the olive oil for around 5 to 6 minutes, turning when it's golden brown on both sides, then remove and set aside for later. And now we're going to add our 1 cup of chicken stock or vegetable stock and just deglaze the pan. And now it's time to add our mustard, Dijon first. And mix this in with the chicken stock well. Don't worry if it goes a bit lumpy, this will smooth out as we continue cooking the sauce. Now add your 3 tablespoons of wholegrain mustard to the pan and again mix well. And now it's in with the honey. Now add your salt, our garlic powder, and our black peppers to the pan and give it a good stir around. And now it's time to reintroduce our chicken breast. You want to cook these for around 10 minutes on each side, ensuring they're well cooked. During the cooking time, make sure you continually baste them in the mustard sauce. I'm going to add the sliced spring onions in here, just to give the sauce a bit more of an onion flavour. This is completely optional, you can just serve them up at the end with the dish. You'll notice before the 20 minutes is up that your sauce will get very dry. Don't worry, once we've removed the chicken breasts, we're going to bring it back to life with some more chicken stock, or if you fancy, optional, cream, single cream. And I'm just going to coat the chicken in the sauce before taking them out and leaving them to rest separately for 5 minutes. And as I said earlier, my sauce was a little bit dry, so I've just added 1 more cup of chicken stock and then bringing this back to the boil to serve with the dish. And now it's time to serve. I'm going to plate up my spring vegetables, add my rested chicken breasts, and coat with the honey mustard sauce. Enjoy. And here you have it, my honey mustard chicken with spring vegetables. The whole dish should take about half an hour to cook, and it's a great meal for everybody. It's really tasty and delicious. And remember, if you like what you've seen today, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a great deal. I'm Craig, you've been watching My Home Hob, and I hope to see you again next week. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.